If you've been arrested in Cook County or have a court date coming up at the 26th Street, Skokie, Rolling Meadows, or Bridgeview Courthouse, this could be the most important video you watch. I'm Mitch Furman, a criminal defense lawyer handling cases throughout Cook County. And today I'm going to explain exactly what you're up against and how to protect yourself. After an arrest in Cook County, your case moves quickly. You may be taken to bond court or under current Illinois law, released with conditions. But here's what most people don't realize. What you do in the first 24 to 72 hours can directly impact your case outcome. Charges are reviewed by prosecutors. The court location depends on where the arrest happened. Early mistakes can hurt your defense. The biggest mistake I see in Cook County criminal cases is people talking too much. To police, to friends, even on text messages. Everything you say can and will be used against you. Cook County is not one size fits all. 26th Street operates differently than Rolling Meadows, Skokie, or Markham. Knowing the judges, prosecutors, and procedures in each courthouse can make a huge difference. That local experience can impact negotiations, motions, and ultimately, your result. If you're facing charges in Cook County, here's what you should do immediately. Do not discuss your case with anyone. Gather documents and evidence. Show up to every court date. Speak with a criminal defense lawyer, ASAP. The earlier you act, the more options you have. If you're looking for a criminal defense lawyer in Cook County, Illinois, I've put a full breakdown of this process on my website. The link is in the description below. You can also find my Google business profile by searching Mitch Furman, criminal defense lawyer, Cook County. Check out my reviews and recent case results. And if this video helped you, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it.